Concierge. Hello, welcome to the Crates Motel. My name's Conan. I am the concierge. If you watch my channel, you may remember about 6 weeks ago, I made a video saying that I wouldn't be buying the MPC Sample anytime soon because it didn't really bring anything new to the table for me. I already have a portable sampler, which I love, the SP404 Mark II. And finally, a big chunk of my monthly income comes from DJing in Dubai, and the events industry is on its arse here at the moment. So I'm not too big to admit this, I couldn't afford it. So about 4 weeks ago, a client of mine, Dan from Beats and Samples, contacted me and said, could I get your home address, Conan, because I want to send you some promo gear. I just thought t-shirts, stickers or whatever. He's been a client of mine for absolutely years. Yesterday, there's a ring on my door and I go through that whole, who's that? I haven't ordered anything. What's that? Who's that? And I open my door and there's a box from Amazon. Still have absolutely no idea what this is. And it was, make sure I could see that. Yeah, it's in shot. An MPC sample. So what Dan had actually done behind my back, damn him, is he and a bunch of other guys from the community, that's from my Akai MPC Tutorials group, the Mix and Masters group on Facebook, and my YouTube channel community, they had all got together and all put in some put in like $10, some 20, some 30, about 30 guys, and they had all put money in and they had bought me an MPC sample. And I'm going to be honest with you, whilst I didn't actually cry because I was literally about to go out and DJ when I got the parcel, it did make my bottom lip go. And I am truly moved by the generosity of the community. Now, I already love being part of this community. I've met so many amazing people over the last couple of years since I've started making videos that are more geared towards the MPC community and beat making. And I've met so many beat makers and super talented producers that have not really got any recognition at all, but they're just really great people and they love their music. And I've become good friends with some of these people. Now, I probably never will meet most of the people that I've become friends with through the communities and forums, etc., but they have become really, really good friends. So I already loved being part of this community, to be honest. But when something like that happens, you know, like not at any point would I have ever reached out and said, oh, can somebody buy me an MPC? And I don't think it's very likely that Akai are going to be sending me anything anytime soon, possibly ever, because whilst I love my MPC, I don't always give them shining reviews. And, you know, and of course, the great thing is because, you know, I've managed to get an MPC sample and I don't have to kiss anybody's ass. Win-win. So, I mean, first impressions, I mean, this, obviously I'm going to be making a ton of videos on this. And Dan actually said, you know, we've done this because we want you to make MPC sample videos, so you can't let us down now. So I'm a little bit pressured. Obviously, I'll be making a ton of videos on it. And my first impressions are it's weightier than I thought it would be. I thought it was going to be, it looked quite plasticky and not a toy. I don't want to say toy, but a bit cheap, and not at all. It's well built. I wouldn't say as well built as the SP404 because that's metal on the top, but it's, you know, it's decent. The pads are much smaller than I expected them to be, but they're fine. You know, they're not that much smaller than the MPC One, which I'm used to. And yeah, it just feels good. You know, I mean, it's got a bunch of IOs, the small midis. I've actually got those cables for the small midis, so that's great. Reading up on it, there's a lot of stuff that I can do via USB as well. And, you know, and it sounds like from what I've, you know, obviously yesterday after I got the parcel, I spent hours watching tons of videos on it. It sounds like it's a very similar workflow in terms of sequencing and stuff as to what I'm used to on my MPC 2000 XL or my MPC 2500. I tend to sequence in the way that it already is on the MPC sample. So it's certainly not alien to me. And I'm just really, really looking forward to kind of discovering it. So I want to give a shout out to some of the guys. Now, some of the guys who put money in actually specifically asked to not be mentioned, because they basically said, and Dan sent me this email yesterday, once he'd seen that I'd received it, they felt that charity is not something that you should tell everyone about, and that's fair enough. So they've asked to not be mentioned. So I'm not going to mention those guys, but I will be mentioning. So shout out to Dan from Beats and Samples, a long-time client of mine and a really great guy. And I'm not just saying that. John Dean, Saint Valere, another long-time client of mine, Richard Deckard, Dario Criminita, Cubics Rube, another long-time client, Stephen McQueen, I'm sure that's not the Steve McQueen, Hans Gruber, I mean, what a great name, Mastering in the Box, another old school client of mine for many years, 20 plus years, Daniel Crate, another great name, Beatmaster Business, and I also want to say, although he's not directly involved in this, I want to say a massive shout out to Scott at Nervouscook. His YouTube channel, if you want tutorials, etc. I mean, he makes great videos just making beats and stuff, but tutorials, I mean, I've already absorbed most of his tutorials on the MPC Sample yesterday, but I will be definitely going back to those. But he also does them for the SP404, the Live II, Koala. His tutorials are just, he's a fellow Englishman, and he's got a great sense of humor, and his videos are just on point. So I want to shout out to him, because I am definitely going to be learning how to use the MPC Sample, probably mostly from his videos. It's a big shout. So yeah, I'm just really looking forward to making videos with it and digging into it. I almost definitely will be using it on future beat tapes. Who knows, if I get on with it really, really well, I might end up just using it for beat tapes and not using any of my other MPCs. I don't know whether that's ever going to happen, but I mean, I said that about my SP404 Mark II a few weeks ago, and I ended up making more than half of the beat tape with my SP404. So, I've never really been into this portable MPC type thing. I said this in my MPC Sample video. When I go out somewhere to a beach, restaurant, forest, mountain, or whatever it may be, is to actually get away from making music. So whether I'll use it as a portable sampler, whether I'll chuck it in my bag and go and sit, in the middle of the desert in Dubai and make beats, probably not, to be honest with you. It's not really my thing, but who knows? At least I have the option now. And yeah, I'm just really looking forward to it. And just, again, massive thank you to all the guys that put in. It's already an incredible community, and that's just really touched me, to be honest, because I'd faced the fact that due to my situation and and other reasons as well, I probably wasn't going to get an MPC Sample at least until the end of the year. So that's now been brought forward, fresh content coming, and just really, really looking forward to it. So thanks for watching. This is a Craig's Motel. My name's Conan, I'm the concierge. Till next time.
Concierge.